call in OIC. So what we are going to do,
Recording in progress.
we'll come in 2 minutes, guys. Create the VIP report in SAS. How we are going to integrate into OIC and send the output of the BIP. Send the output of the BIP to SFTP server. How we are going to integrate into OIC and send the output of the BIP to SFTP server. So that is the requirement. I will show you how to create the simple BIP report. I'll show you how to create the simple BIP report. So here you have to go to the tools, reports and analytics, reports and analytics. Reports and analytics. Browse catalog. So here create data model. Create the data model. Simple report I am creating this, not complex report. It is a simple BIP report. Okay. Simple BIP report I am creating. So I am taking the data from per_users. Per_users. Simple query. Users info. Click on OK. Data source should be HCM. Save the things. Users info. Data model. Users info data model. Otherwise, you can go to the shared folder. So when you are calling the BIP report from OIC, BIP report, from the OIC, if you want to call the BIP report, make sure that put in the shared folder, system. You create one folder here. OIC. So in the custom, OIC. I'm saving into this directory user info data model. So guys, you have to understand one thing. Every report have a two files are there. One is data model file, another one is report file. So user info. Create report. So data model we have created now. So after that, I am creating the report. Create the report. So before you create the report, you have to do one step. Data. You can view. Table view. Save as sample data. Save as sample data. So after you create the data model, click on view, data will come, save as sample data. Then create the report. So every report we have two files are there. One is data model file, another one is report file. So use report editor, I think we'll discuss, okay? Guide me, I am going for guide me simple approach for the creating the report. Guide me, click on next. Click on next. In the query, whatever the columns are there, that will give the list here. For example, I want to print username, username, and
User ID.
user ID also will take. Username. User is not there. Okay, user ID is there. And the creation date.
And person ID also you can add the person ID.
Yeah, whatever person ID also we can add. Creation date. Creation date. So there are the columns.
Created date.
Okay. So I don't want to display the totals uncheck. Click on finish. So the report name, user info RPT. So this is the report name. Okay. So this is the username, user ID, person ID, and creation date. Now go to the catalog. Now in the catalog, you will see in the catalog you will see the two uh, two files are there. One is report file, another one is data model
file, another one is the RPT file.
Yeah. So RPT means report file, another one is data model file. Report file and data model file. So guys, now report file and data model file it is there here. Guys, now okay, so let's take the report file. So data model file we are not going to refer anywhere, but report file should be mandatory to call into integration or ESS job. So that ESS job still not covered. So now go to the schedule. So what do we do here? Take the path. Take the path of the report. Create the BAP report. Create the BAP report. Take the report path. Create the BAP report and take the report path. Take the report path. So how to take the report path? Oh, now what I will do? So report file schedule. Copy this. Copy this one and put it in here. No, sure, not. Okay, so now let's start the integration. So create the integration, schedule integration. Under the BIP report, first we'll create the connection. So to call the BIP report, so important interview question is to call the BIP report in OIC. I'm taking this. To call the BIP report in OIC, we need to use this. There is a SOAP web service there. So this is the SOAP web service. Someone will ask in interview, what is the BIP report SOAP web service name? So you can say this name, external report web service. And here, this is the host name. So this host name, how to take, right? Host name, how to take, or not?
Sir, can we take this external report web services for all VIP reports, sir?
Yes, correct. Correct, your understanding correct.
Okay, sir.
For all the VIP reports, if you want to call in OIC, so this is the approach. To create the SOAP connection, first step is create the SOAP connection. Create the SOAP connection. SOAP web service connection. Create the SOAP web service connection. Create the SOAP web service connection. So this is the URL name. And then what you need to do, we are going to take the lookup base. So what we will do, we are going to create one lookup. Otherwise, we can use the existing lookup also. So we are going to create the, and we are going to create one output file. Output file we need to send right. Output file we need to send right. FTP connection. Which entity? I'm checking the FTP connection, which like it is redirecting. Oracle FTP. Dashboard. Problem. So what you will do here, you can create one directory. You can say BIP report output. So this BIP report output. So this is the output part. That means, so in the SAS, whatever the BIP report is there, that output we are sending into this directory through OIC. So this is the BIP report name and this is the output path. So this two we are going to keep in the lookup. So we are going to call this value to the SFTP server, guys. So instead of every time we use to hard code, right? So hard coding is not recommended. So from the lookup, we need to map. That is the very real time we are following. So what you will do, you have to take the report name and keep in the existing lookup, or you can create your own lookup also. The existing lookup already there, we will use this lookup. So you can mention FTP path in FTP path. In FTP path. So this is the FTP path. So these names, guys, client will tell you. So where to send the output file. Accordingly, you need to create in the lookup. BIP path. Understand or not?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. So we have created the lookup, and in the lookup we have mentioned FTP path and BIP path, and also we need to create one more connection. Okay, I'll write the steps here. Keep the BIP path and keep the BIP path and FTP path in the lookup. Keep the BIP path and FTP path in the lookup. Keep the BIP path and FTP path in the lookup. So keep the BIP path and FTP path in the lookup. Okay. So now what we will do? Now what we will do? Create the SOAP connection. Create the SOAP connection. Create the SOAP connection. So this. Create the SOAP connection. SOAP connection. Trigger and invoke. Digital name. So here you can give the name and password. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all setup is done, guys. Connection we have created. FTP already there. And the FTP path and BIP path we put in the lookup. Okay. And output path also we have mentioned. And everything is done. We need to start integration now. So first thing is create the integration, schedule integration. So call BIP report in OIC. Call BIP report in OIC. Click on create. Call BIP report in OIC. Click on create. So now, if you want to handle the scope handler, you can handle it. Main scope. So here, guys, here we are going to first step is first what we will do, we are going to assign the variables. First, we are going to assign the variables. Assign.
ఏం కావాలి?
Assign activity. Assign activity.
పోయింది. తిన్నాడు.
So we will ftp underscore path. ftp path. Assign variable. Click on plus. ftp underscore path. ftp underscore path. So the ftp path we have defined in the lookup, right? So from the lookup we are going to tell me guys how to do that. So we already discussed right in the notification. So what we will do, lookup value, lookup value, common lookup, property name, value. So take this FTP path. Take this FTP path. So here source value, what I need to give here?
FTP path, sir.
Yeah, correct. That means in the FTP path source value name, whatever the value there, that value will be referred. Whatever the value is there, that value will be referred. I think this we already discussed, right?
Yes, sir.
So if the property name is FTP path, whatever the FTP path against whatever the data is there, that data will be referred in the FTP path variable. Same thing you can do for VIP underscore path. VIP underscore path. So same thing you can do for lookup. Property name, value, VIP underscore path. And this. Done. So your source value, VIP underscore path. So till here, any question you can ask me? Yes. Now what we will do, we are going to use the SOAP connection. We are going to the SOAP connection. Run BIP report. Run BIP report. Here, run report is the operation name. So this external report web service. The external report web service is the web service name, and run report is the operation name. Continue.
Sir, the SOAP connection we will use only for VIP reports only, sir, or for others, SOAP, other connections, sir.
This external report web service is the name. Like that, we have many web services are there. You remember we have HCM data loader connection. But
Yeah,
that
yes,
is
sir.
different functionality. This is different functionality. But this to run the BIP report, not only this. For example, we have multiple SOAP web services are there. So this external report web service is a web service for running the BIP report. That you have to understand.
Yeah, okay, sir.
But to run the BIP report in OIC, to run the BIP report in OIC, we need to pass two parameters. One is
చెప్పండి.
here we need to pass the report absolute path. So where the report absolute path it is there, BIP report.
లిమిట్ ఉండదు కదా.
So BIP path contain the report path, right? So that we have mapped here.
లేదంటే ఓ పని చేయి.
And there is a one more size of data chunk load, right? So I want to get all the data from the report. So then I will use this create target node -1. Validate. Like this. So we need to pass the report absolute path and size of data chunk load. So size of data chunk load, why we are giving -1? Because the users, how many users are there? The complete data I want to get. But for example, if I give here something like 1 KB data will come. For example, if I give 10 KB data will come. -1 means it will consider all the data. So that is the reason I'm giving this. So BIP path we need to map here. Okay. And one more thing is, when you run the BIP report using the SOAP web service, the format will be a different format will come. So we need to convert into readable format.
Sir,
To convert in, yeah.
So if we give -1, it will take all the reports. I mean, all the records, sir.
All the records.
If the file will be 1 GB, what about we give -1 means?
-1 only we have to give 1 GB.
I mean,
data. Yeah.
You said that large files are not.
Then you can use the
OIC
report.
not.
There is an option is there, na? Read file segments with chunks.
Okay, sir.
So I think if you have 1 GB data, this web service will not work out. So you have to call the ESS job. So you can register the BIP report in ESS job, so that we have to call. If it is simpler reports, we can do this approach. Okay. Now what you will click on plus here. So the report output will be different format, guys. We need to convert into readable format. To convert into readable format, so what you need to so okay, I will tell you that. First you need to stage the BIP file. Stage means download the BIP file. BIP file. Stage the BIP file. Yeah. Right file. In the right file, whatever the file name you want to, you can use. The file name should be users.pdf and output directory. So where I want to store into temporary directory. So temporary directory, you can use any name. This is the stage directory. So this name can be any name. You can continue. So file name you can give any name, output file name, and so you are storing this output file into this stage. Okay, continue. And you can use the XML. Here you need to use the XML. Why? Because so that the BIP report output file which is generating from which is in not readable format. So we need to upload there is a concept called OPEX schema. So the OPEX schema will be taken care to convert that BIP report output into readable format. So that for that reason only the OPEX schema will be in XML format. Okay. So whatever the report you are downloading, that report download in not readable format.
లేదులే
So to readable format, so we are uploading one sample schema file. Okay, so I am uploading one sample schema file, that is OPEC schema file. I will tell you that. Where to get the OPEC schema also I will tell you.
ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. అయిపోయింది, నేను మొన్నటితోనే అయిపోయింది.
Okay.
డాక్యుమెంట్లు రాలేదు, 2 days వస్తాయి అన్న.
I see. Yeah. OPEC schema. Click on it. So where to get, I will tell you. I will share you also. Okay? So you can
వాళ్ళు ఏప్రిల్లో వస్తాయి.
search in the Google.
3 months అంటే ఆల్రెడీ 10 days అక్కడ అయిపోయినాయి కదా నోటీస్.
OPEC element.
అది మనకు
OPEC element.
తెలియదు కదా, తెలిస్తే ఇంకో వారం ఆగి పెట్టేవాడిని. తక్కువలో తక్కువ 10-20 వేలు ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చాయి కదా. మనం రిజైన్ చేసాము, మరి నోటీస్ సర్వ్ చేయాలి కదా.
So you use stage write file operation with OPEC schema. So when you are doing the file operation, so you need to use this. See this. You can take this. You can take and save as OPEC element, whatever I have shown, right?
అట్లా పెట్టిన 3
OPEC
months
underscore schema.xsd. Okay.
వాళ్ళు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పారు.
And actual output, when you run the BIP report, the actual output will be there in the report bytes. It will give the response of the report bytes. So in the mapper,
ఎవరు నాకు 3 months
in the mapper, what you will do? In the mapper, so BIP report, when you run, it will give the response, right? That response will be there in the report bytes. So that OPEC element already we have downloaded to stage, right? Already we have downloaded to stage, right? Sample OPEC element we have created, right? So now what you are going to do? You are going to do like this. So that means whatever when you run the report, it will give the response. That response in the not readable format. So what this OPEC element will do? This OPEC element will be converted into readable format of the output. That output will be saved into your stage location and the user.pdf file. Validate. Now the report output, where it is there, the report output will be there in the temp directory in the stage. Now where to move? FTP, right?
FTP server.
So this step is little bit tricky to understand, guys. I will tell you once again. So when you run the BIP report, the output will be there in the report bytes. That report bytes you need to convert into readable format. To convert into readable format and place the actual file into temp directory, we have uploaded the one OPEC element. So that OPEC element you can check in the Google. I already shown. So you can copy this one, save as OPEC underscore element .xsd. So this will convert your report output into readable format and place into stage location, temp directory. From temp directory, what you need to do? From temp directory, what you need to do?
Stage 5, sorry, FTP server, sir.
FTP server. Oh, FTP. So right. Report. Into. The following line is. So input directory name, I'll use slash. I'll use file name. I'll use star. So why? Because we are taking the input directory name and file name from the reference, right? So you can give anything here. So you just give here. But in the mapper, we can replace these values, input directory and file name. So not read file, sorry. Right file.
Site.
The right file. The right file. Output directory. Okay. I don't want to maintain the structure. Click on
నా బాధ అది కాదు. నెక్స్ట్
So what is the next step, guys?
రేపు కొత్త కంపెనీ జాయిన్ అయ్యి దీంట్లో 30,000 కట్టవచ్చు ట్యాక్స్.
What is the next step? Anything.
ల్యాబ్
Okay.
పెరిగిపోతే అప్పుడు అమౌంట్
So what is the next step in the mapper?
అది అందుకని అంతే.
Hmm? Click on.
Sir, OPEQ schema 2 for FTP server we have to map, sir.
3 నెలలది
Already mapped, na? See, OPEX schema already mapped to report bytes, right? Now the actual
Yeah.
file in the stage. So
Yeah, downloaded stage.
yeah, we have downloaded the stage
Stage.
the PIP report response.
Yeah.
పడిన అమౌంట్
Here's the PIP report response. So,
సరే అయితే
file. And the file name and directory name. File name and directory name, where you will get? Tell me.
So it is in temporary location.
Directory name, FTP directory name.
It is in lookup, sir.
Very good. And file name?
తిరిగి దానికి
File name already we have created in the something user.pdf something we have given. Na?
Yes.
వద్దు 8 9 10 పెట్టి మళ్ళీ కొత్త నాకు గుర్తుండు. ఇదేంటంటే నాకు వద్దు 8 9 10 ఇప్పుడంటే ఎప్పుడు నుంచి చేస్తున్నా కాబట్టి గుర్తుంటుంది. మళ్ళీ
Now what will we do
ఏంటంటే నా కార్డు
with that integration done?
కార్డు చేసా కాబట్టి ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వచ్చింది అంతే. పిల్లి గురించి అసలు ఏం లేదు. నువ్వు పిల్లి చేంజ్ చేసి ఏదైనా చెయ్యి ఆడ పట్టించుకో.
Activate the integration.
నీకు ఆల్రెడీ సేఫ్ గేమ్ ఆల్రెడీ మొదలు పెట్టేశారు. ఏంటంటే నేనేంటంటే 1500 వస్తున్నాయి కదా 50,000
Activate the integration test.
50,000 1500 అంటే అటు ఇటు 750 మిగిలినట్టే కదా. 750 ప్లస్ రివార్డ్ పాయింట్ లెక్కైతే రివార్డ్ పాయింట్లు మనకు సరిపోతున్నాయి. ఈ 1500
So what will happen, guys? So what will happen? I will tell you. First, run report will execute, and it will run the BIP report and send the file to stage. First stage it will store. From the stage we are sending it to the FTP. Now you check the file coming or not here. Coming, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is the way you can call the BIP report in OIC. Understand or not? Easy or difficult, guys?
Easy, sir.
Most of the times in the interview they will ask this question. Okay. So guys, tomorrow I will not take the class. Sunday can we attend? Final class for the OIC.
Okay, sir.
వంశీ
Final class.
Sunday is festival.
Yeah, festival only, but just 40 minutes, right? 45 minutes.
Yeah, okay, sir. You can take.
వంశీ actually that time I think we are in some outside na some people went to church. I think that is the time.
Okay.
And today evening it is okay.
Today I have interviews.
Take it on Monday.
Monday I will take. Okay, Monday we'll take final class. Okay.
Yeah, okay.